Make sure you go and follow Jade and Ethan's salon, and make sure you guys can drop by and do your haircuts. And also, do they retouch dreadlocks? They do everything. They do everything. Yeah. It's on Chaka Road, just next to Quickmart on Chaka Road. Yes. And also make sure you head to YouTube and watch the Piga Mawe song that I have featured in Ringtone's song. Yes. And then you guys will know if you are dating or not, or if I'm pregnant or not. Thank you. Azziad Nasenya different bila makeup, ama you do makeup. That's the point. No one gets makeup to look the same. Sihadi unitaje watu watujuane. Formless nika. Zoea mawe, piga mawe, piga mawe. It's called piga mawe. Zoea kupiga mawe. Braiding ni how much? You guys can just come and then you'll discuss the price. Unaka cartoon, I love cartoons. Thanks. Your nails are lovely. Thank you, love your hair. Thank you. Huyo saluni sana kusukuma kichwa na hasira. Aki mimi ndo nasumbua. And then she's so kind. Majis. Do they wash clothes? No, they do hair, they do nails. They do hair and nails, and they do braiding, they do hair, they do washing, they do blow dry, washing of their hair. And massage, and haircuts. Hiyo song yenyu na Ringtone ni gospel ama bros. Uangalie statistics. Cheki badilisha dye. Allah! And it's my head! You're looking good. Thank you. Love your front tooth. Thank you. Mawe ama. Sawa. And you're my idol. Oh, I love you too. I need a full body massage. Kuja. We got you. Unapenda brown braids? Yeah, I love blonde. Nakupenda sana from Mozambique. Hi. Oya, desabi. Wacha kiherehere. Ai. Ni mtutu mwingine hapo. Mimi wenyu. And are you dating Ringtone? Answer me. I've said go to YouTube and watch the song Piga Mawe, and then you'll know if you're dating or not. The message is in that song. Yeah, every detail you want. Guy. Utakuja umoli. Nitakuja tu. When you go live, you'll see me. Why did you choose Ringtone? I chose Ringtone because the song is on YouTube. Go and check it. Every single thing about our relationship is in that video. Just go to YouTube and search Ringtone Piga Mawe, and then you'll have all the details. Yeah. Yes. Anyway, guys, I think I've made my message. So, ciao. I'll be leaving. I hope you guys are well. Yes. So, bye.